Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today I'm sharing some winter Christmas decor. This is bringing elements from the outside inside, and I did this for the fall. I'll just pop in a little clip here so you can see. I just used some sticks in a lot of different places in my fall decor, but I'm also doing the same thing for my winter and Christmas decor. I'm using things that I already had in my home and also things from the outside and just bringing nature in, decorating for free. I'm just wanting to share how you can create decor without spending money. If you're not into spending a lot of money like I am, and you're also into minimal decor, I think you'll enjoy this video. And if you like videos like this, please consider subscribing. I did want to thank any new subscribers that I have, and thank you so much for your support. Thank you for watching and commenting and liking my videos. I'm just sharing here 2 DIYs in particular that I used on my mantle to decorate. So if you want to check out how I put together these DIYs, I hope you keep watching. So I'm using a branch from an evergreen tree as well as this frame that I purchased at the Goodwill a really long time ago. I'm just spray painting the frame, taking apart the inside and using the foam board inside the frame, flipping it over, and I'm actually painting it with this Kills primer because it has the markings from the tape around the outside edge. A lot of times with my projects I'm improvising. It's not always the perfect way, but it does the job. So I'm gonna paint over this whole thing with this Kills primer. Of course this is for a wall, but it will cover just fine over this. And then I'm going to assemble the frame. And then hot glue this evergreen branch right into place. For this next DIY, I'm using sticks that I gathered around my yard, and I'm going to use these sticks to create letters to spell out the words Merry Christmas. And I'm going to cut them down in, well, I'm just going to snap them actually. I'm not even going to cut them, but I'm just going to snap them to the sizes that I need. So originally I came up with like a 3-finger space for each letter, the width of the letter, and then probably like this height for maybe a little higher for the height of the letter. So I'm just using one stick to measure out the spacing for each one. And then I got a longer stick and I'm gluing each of the letters to this stick. But right before I do that, I'm spray painting them lightly with this white spray paint so that they stand out against the stick. So this is how everything is looking all together. And this is gonna be the focal point right over my mantle. It's a nice large piece and it's just gonna sit up there, and then I'll just embellish the mantle from there. And I'm adding in on the right side these 3 reindeer that I made in a previous DIY project. It's a full Dollar Tree DIY, and I will link that video in the description box so you can check it out if you're interested in how I put them together. It's an Ashley home store dupe. And then I just placed some battery operated candles on top of the reindeer. The reindeer are actually candle holders anyways, and the reindeer are strong enough to hold it. So I put those there. And then I have these 2 candlesticks on the side. I used some Rust-Oleum decorative glaze to darken these candlesticks so that they have the same tinted color as the reindeer. I'll just keep the Merry Christmas sign up for the month of December, and when Christmas is over, I'll remove the sign, and then the mantle can still have the winter theme. But overall, this is the minimal decor that I'm going for. I really like this natural look and keeping things pretty simple, a nice neutral color scheme for the holiday. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. And again, check out any of my other videos. Thank you so much for being here. As always, thank you for your support and thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.